How did you infer that the A period development in Bank Nifty on 23rd August was a stop hunt and that too possibly by a higher time frame? It's not a stop hunt by a higher time frame. It is prices being defended by a higher time frame on account of this composite HV, and that is also last point of demand on higher time frame. That is the daily chart. That is why I was expecting higher time frames to give us some signs that they want to take the prices higher in this. So that is the answer to your higher time frame question. Now, why is it a stop hunt? We were expecting it to be a stop hunt because as you can see, even if I split this, you will see that there were multiple long liquidations happening. So this was a long liquidation, this was a long liquidation, and there were some people who were buying here. Now if the smart money wants to take the prices higher, what can happen, these people, as soon as they buy, they're looking for an exit. So they buy here, you go a little higher, you start exiting, you go a little higher, you start exiting. So if the smart money wants to take the prices higher, they don't want these traders to book profits at every small rise. So the best way to do it is to open lower, stop supporting the market, let the market open lower, and let them panic and throw in their position. As soon as their positions are done, they will take the market higher. So anyone who bought here, they were throwing their positions on this opening, it was sharply lower. Anyone who bought here, they might have put their stop loss here, and those were gone. And now you can see the markets are moving higher, or they went higher, because most of these guys have been taken. The higher time frame is because of the last point of demand, and this is a classic stop hunt. You see struggle between buyers and sellers, and then there is a sharp test on either side. It can be higher or lower, and that is only to take out the stop losses and then again resume the